guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Winifred. We all know that yesterday the internet was buzzing with the popular Nigerian billionaire musician Davido's wedding, and every eyes were on deck. Now trust me to find out how this beautiful Asooke dress was made. This is not burgundy. I thought it was burgundy, and if you are thinking this is burgundy, you are mistaken. So let me take you through the process of making this beautiful Asooke fabric. If you are not yet subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button. You are missing a lot if you are not on this channel, because I give every detail on fashion and style, and I also post tutorial videos and bits and pieces of my life. So without too much talking, let's get to the honey of this video. But wait, before we get to the honey of this video, like my video. I love you. Hey beauty, welcome to my channel. So Woven Market Africa made this beautiful Asooke, and see the quality is so nice. So I'll leave you to listen to the process right now.
Join me on a delightful journey behind the scenes of creating the stunning Asooke fabric for Chioma and David's traditional wedding. It all began with a vibrant design brief to create an Asooke fabric in shades of hot pink with a shimmery metallic texture for Chioma. Now I have a unique knack for spotting hidden colors in any color palette I see, so this was indeed very exciting, and this set the stage for our creative process. After carefully noting the hues needed to achieve the various shades of pink, I moved to sampling and swatch production. The fabrics came out beautiful, but I knew we could do better. I wasn't satisfied. But thankfully, we were given the creative freedom to create more unique colors. I then did a little research, exploring Chioma and David's personal styles, their color preferences, checking out the colors they loved and wore often, with the help of social media, of course. This inspired us to craft another set of colors tailored just for them. Determined to make something truly special, on the side, I curated entirely new color mixes. After much creativity and experimentation, we ended up with 37 stunning color combinations, each with its own charm. With the physical samples ready, we shared with the creative team, and after thoughtful consideration and collaboration, they narrowed it down to top 10. Finally, these were the top 2 breathtaking selections made by Chioma and her dream team, bringing her entire outfit vision to life.
If you want to make dresses for a billionaire, you must know that all hands will be on deck, and there is no playing. You have to deliver. So woven fabric delivered, and this was beauty. So let's move on to the making of the dress itself. It started with the design, and then mostly it was incorporated with beads and embellishments, and a little bit of flowers were attached to it, handmade flowers that were beaded. Then I could see sequins on it, cloth stones, crystal beads were evident on the dresses, and on the dress rather. So everything was beading work and flower work, and this was a beautiful masterpiece. Is it just a Queen Anne bustier dress? It's a Queen Anne bustier dress, not a corset dress, but it was giving beauty, and that's on period. One thing I noticed again on this dress was the craft that they made on the upper part. They cut out those pieces neatly, and it was beautiful. So let's move on to Davido's dress. Davido's dress was simply an agbada, although it was not that simple, and the designer is Deji Ankola. You can check him up on Instagram. He makes beautiful female pieces, and then in his words, he said the design in front of the agbada is a tree-like design, because of the deep roots of the family where Davido came from, and the branches of the trees are the lives he has touched. So they went ahead to cut the agbada, and it started off with the tree designs. You see, they drew out the tree designs on it, and look at that work. Look at that, that drawing. After that, they now went ahead to do embroidery on it. The person that did this embroidery needs some accolades, because this is so neat. Every tiny pieces was touched, and then after that they started the beadwork. This beading was mostly cloth stones and crystal stones, or also crystal beads also, but it was mostly cloth stones. And this is a beautiful work of art. If you know me very well, you know that I love creativity, and I would never keep quiet when I see a creative or brilliant work. I love to celebrate brilliant works, and that is why I'm celebrating all the designers that made this beautiful Asooke piece. Honestly, these dresses are the grenade, and the stylist was styled by Lynn, if I pronounced his name properly, and this is just brilliant. Alright, I hope you enjoyed it. Till I see you in my next video. I love you and I care. Bye. Papa.